Okay, it is travel day, sort of. So we are flying from Melbourne to Sydney, and then we are going to be flying from Sydney to San Francisco.
Flying from Melbourne to Sydney, are we? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Wait, what?
Does it look like we're flying from Melbourne to Sydney?
Oh, okay, so we've had a bit of a rough start this morning. Traffic and tension and things.
And stuff.
We missed our flight. Still in traffic.
But it's okay because we've booked another flight.
It's lucky I accounted for the Leeson way when I said let's go to Sydney 24 hours earlier, because I had a feeling, just like always, that it was going to be like last minute, go, and traffic.
So we have booked another flight with Virgin, and we are now heading to Melbourne Airport.
Disney, here we come!
We have to Epcot. No, you can't start with Epcot. Like, I love Epcot too, but you can't start with that.
You can't start
Because
with
you have to start with Magic Kingdom.
Why do you have to?
Because you're on a Disney trip, you have to start with the castle. It's
You
like,
do not.
you do, bro.
You do not have to start.
Oh my god.
Is there a rule?
So, our first day, we are going to Magic Kingdom. Okay?
Why?
Because I am blue and I am the alpha.
No, I am the alpha, and I'm saying we should go to Epcot. Spaceship.
Oh, we are not going to, you don't even know.
Hey, what are you recording?
Oh my god. Travel day.
I know the other day, so we just.
Hi guys, we're at Sydney International Airport and we're about to go on our flight to San Francisco.
Since our mum is a flight attendant, we're going to fly standby. So we thought that we'd try our luck and go for a business class seat. And guess what? We got the business class seats.
On the bus, getting ready to be transferred to our aircraft. Like the kids said before, we have been upgraded to business, which is super exciting because we've never flown business before. And to be honest, I don't know if we're going to be able to go back to flying economy. But what we're going to do is show you flying on United is like when you fly business. Also, full disclosure, we cannot afford to buy business class seats like when we fly normally. So we are super lucky that I have the staff travel, so that's the only reason why we are able to do this. Just wanted to put that out there.
I'm like villain. What's that for?
That's for when you annoy me. I can just put that up. Okay, so when you fly on United in business, you get these super cute little fun bags. we're going to sit with them. So we have a pair of bougie socks. And eye mask. Actually, it's really quite cushy.
How I feel?
No, you put your hand
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome on board United Airlines Flight 830 service to San Francisco. Your aircraft is under the command of
Are you watching what you're doing with the camera?
Yeah.
Are your fingers in the way of the
flight
lens?
time will be 12 hours and
Dental
57 minutes en route today. My name is Don. I'll be the international purser on
So
board
she doesn't
your
have to
flight.
listen to me.
Another San Francisco-based flight attendant. While we're here for your comfort, our main concern is always for your safety. With that in mind, we'll be showing a brief video in a few moments of the safety procedures aboard this aircraft. We ask for your
Thermal
attention.
face. What is in here? Oh, a towelette.
Also, at this time,
Lip
please make sure your
balm.
seatbelts are fastened.
Hand cream, hydrating mist, and eye serum. Okay, the eye serum. Look at these baggies. I need the eye serum.
Monitors are also stowed as well. Make sure all carrying items are stowed beneath the seats in front of you or in over.
Nope, that's all.
Yay!
Yay!
There's an extra pocket.
Anytime.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Thank you, lovely.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. We have landed in San Fran. So, how was your business class flying experience? Do you think you can go back to flying economy, Nate? No?
I think they can absolutely go back to flying.
Yeah?
Are you paying for business class every time? I'll get what they're given.
Next stop is Garage G and Mars. Exit here at Lombard.
I actually haven't taken out money from.
We are at Hertz and we are about to pick up our hire car. So we hired an 8-seater because we're going to be with my sister and her boys and my brother-in-law. So let's get this car.
Now
So we are in San Francisco. We have found a Starbucks because coffee was definitely essential this morning. Yes. We've done a little bit of a drive around. We're not actually staying in San Francisco tonight. So we've hired a car and we're going to be driving down to Hearst Castle and we're going to have a bit of a look around there. And then after that, tomorrow we will be driving through to Los Angeles where we are going to meet my sister and her little family. And then we're going to spend a few days in LA. We're in the car right now. We're just waiting on Andrew and then we're going to keep on driving. Yeah. On our little drive in San Fran, we went to Lombard Street and now we are driving to see the Mrs. Doubtfire house and I am so excited. So it's just up here on the corner. Here we go, this big grey one. Oh my God, stop it. Found it. We turned into like this little, don't even know what it's called, but by accident we have stumbled across the Walt Disney Family Museum, which is something that we wanted to do. And oh my God, I'm so excited. We're going to go in.
Bye.
Okay, so it's not open today. It's only open on, today's Tuesday, so it's only open from Thursdays
To Sundays.
Thursday to Sunday.
Hon, what's day we're gonna be? I'm back here to go home.
This is cute.
Yes, for sure. Well, they're very cute kids. I mean,
Don't tell him that. Don't tell him that. So because of our road trip, we stopped and we got some sustenance, that being sugar. So we're here at Target. And then we're also getting Starbucks.
Oreo pie.
Okay guys, so we are currently in the, where are we? Spring
Hill Suites.
Spring Hill Suites.
Yeah. In hang on, I'll pull it up.
We don't actually know where we are.
We're in between San Francisco and LA.
Yeah, yeah.
Though.
But we have made it into this hotel. We're going to stay here for the night. We've had some dinner, we've showered, and now we're all...
Spring Hill Suites, Paso Robles, Atasadaro.
Apologies if that isn't pronounced correctly.
Asacadero.
It's prohibited. Yep.
Paso Robles.
Yep, cool. Paso Doble.
Peso Robles.
Anyway, so then we're going to get up in the morning and we're going to do the rest of the drive to Los Angeles, and then we're going to pick up my sister from the airport, and then we're going to cruise around LA for the day, and again we're going to take you with us. So this is the end of our travel day vlog, our day one, and we will see you.
Have you done any other vlogging today?
Yes, I've done other vlogging. Yeah.
I didn't even hear you do any of it. Sneaky, glad